It was a beautiful sunny day in the old lady's garden. Spring had arrived. Priscilla was peeping into a hole that had appeared in the garden. "Penelope, Penelope," she called, "come quickly, come quickly." "I'm coming, Priscilla," puffed Penelope. "Wait a minute. I can't find my pink bows. Penelope, please, it's an emergency." Penelope finally arrived. "Look, look," puffed Priscilla. "A big hole has appeared under the apple tree, and I can hear something crying." "Oh dear," Priscilla said Penelope. "Perhaps it's a beaver or a mole. Moles live in holes." Priscilla, who was very precise, puffed and puffed, something she often did, and said, "Don't be silly, Penelope. It's a poor puppy." Penelope, who was always very inventive, had an idea. "Let's find a long, long length of rope. I hope there's some in the garden. I will have a look around. We could build a rope ladder." "Great idea, Penelope." While she was waiting, Priscilla started to make a loud noise. Actually, she was singing. She loved singing. Penelope returned, panting and puffing with the rope. But then the puppy started barking very loudly. It was very scared. And to make things even worse, puffins aren't really very good at making rope ladders. "Oh no," they puffed. "It's impossible." At that moment, the old lady, called Pearl, returned home with some eggs and fruit from the grocery store. Seeing Penelope and Priscilla so agitated, she went to the apple tree and saw that there was a puppy in the hole that the gardener had dug to plant a pretty flower. "Oh dear," she exclaimed. "Poor puppy. I will help you get out." Pearl reached into the hole and rescued the puppy, then held the puppy in her arms. "Well done, Priscilla and Penelope. I'm so proud of you both. Let's go and make some tea now and find some puppy food for our new friend."